explain ni Lindo kasi siya, concept niya to eh. And as also the director. So, ikaw na.
The creative.
The creative, yeah. Yung sa aking puso.
Kala ko may sasabihin.
Hindi.
Ako na.
Pero syempre yung sa aking puso dito sa Manila, parang mas magagawa namin yung mga gusto namin gawin for this show. Kasi syempre pag sa abroad mas limited, di ba?
Yeah, we know naman na there are cost considerations, restrictions, but you're doing the show abroad. But since it's our 20th anniversary, gusto namin mas bongga.
Yeah.
So this show here in Manila will be mas bongga. To put it simply, no. Syempre, we will have more lighting effects and then more songs, and we have special guests in our show na usually sa US, we have the local talents, diba? And they're fine, but this one naman, we have artists who are also dear to us or close to us that will be attending, they'll be performing with us. So yun yung maraming mga special na magaganap sa September 13. In fact, meron nga kaming mga ibang producers who are, they've seen the show, no? But they know that this is going to be an extra special concert. They're flying back. They're flying late to Manila to
Producers natin sa US, busy na.
Yeah. Kaya it's exciting.
And because this is also telling everybody your love story through the show, what about your love do you want to highlight for the audience?
Well, sa akin, it's yung journey namin. Because our journey was not easy. We actually started really, there was a challenge, a bit of a challenge. A lot of people, maybe si Rodel, natatandaan man yun. Sorry, hindi ko binumbok yung edad mo, Rodel. Pero, it was very controversial when we started out. There were a lot of people that were naysayers, na parang, hindi mo tatagal yan, or hindi sila bagay. Our age gap is pretty big. We're almost 11 years apart. So, even sa career namin. So, maraming mga things na, mabalakid, supposedly. Pero, we weathered the storm and we stood by our love. And 25 years after, we're still together. So, it's worth celebrating and, ipagsigawan sa mundo na.
Mali kayo.
Hindi na sa
Pero parang gano'n naman.
Parang gano'n.
Diba? Parang gano'n naman. Kasi yung 25 years sa mundo ng ginagalaw natin, mahirap yan.
No, it wasn't easy. It was never meant to be easy, but we're very grateful, and of course, thanks be to God because He's not in the center. I don't think kami ay maglalas. Tsaka siguro rin yung age gap nakatulong. A lot of people might say na, laki ng gap, pero sa amin it worked. Diba? So, that was...
Mas mature daw kasi yung babae.
Maybe, yeah. Because I tell her na siguro kung hindi mas bata-bata tayo or basta baka hindi tayo nag-workout or hindi tayo nagtuluyan.
Pero siguro sa relationship namin hindi no? Sobrang bata ako nung nagpakasal kami, 22? Oh, yung gagawin. Huwag yung gagayahin yun.
No, it was just yung timing.
Diba?
It's not, hindi lahat gano'n ang storya. Iba naman
Iba naman iba naman yung pinagdaanan ng buhay ko. Kaya nung time na yon, ready na talaga ako magpakasal. Tsaka dahil syempre nahanap ko na yung the one. Na alam ko na confident ako na ikaw yung pinagdala ng Diyos para sa akin. Kaya meron ako
kaya
checklist.
game na.
Oo, game na.
Dito sa show, MJ, it's interesting because what we're sharing with you, it will be highlighted throughout the show. Mga interesting moments in our 25 years. Mga people na hindi siguro hindi sila aware, masishare namin through music at saka sa stage. Basta ganun, I wanted this show kasi to be very personal and family-oriented, ika nga. Because that's what we are. Me and Jessa, and of course Jayla, we're a family. In fact, our show is on a Sunday. It's a family day. Diba? Normally shows are Saturday,
Friday.
Friday. But kami, Sunday.
Pero
And-
pwede dalhin yung mga anak nila.
Oo, we really want
family.
ano, tsaka pinagandaan yung repertoire namin na para sa lahat. Kumbaga, gusto namin mag-enjoy yung tao, tsaka ma-inspire, ma-uplift. Lahat na. Ganun.
Thank you so much.